Well, we recognised the unions in December, which was 8 months ago. In the 8 months since, we've had, I think, a total of 7 days of strikes in different countries. You know, we're a big airline that operates across 37 different countries. Today, for example, yes, we've had to cancel 150 flights in Germany, but across Europe, we'll operate more than 2,500 flights today. So we're a very big airline, and there's a disproportionate amount of coverage given to what are very small strikes in very small parts of our business.
Okay,
we agreed to the pay rise with our pilots and cabin crew before we entered into negotiations with the unions. And I think it's one of the strengths of Ryanair. In almost all of the debates with the unions, they've said pay is not the issue here. It's terms and conditions, it's local contracts, it's something else. So, you know, they recognise that we're a high pay airline. In Germany, for example, we pay our pilots 30% more than the Eurowings unionised, which is the unionised subsidiary of Lufthansa, pays its pilots. So we have very good pay, very good conditions, but it is a learning process. We're learning how to deal with the unions, and the unions are learning how to deal with it. I think we're going to see the reality, and the reality is going to be quite stark. In a hard Brexit, there will be a disruption to flights. There will be disruption to licenses. There will be a disruption to airline ownership rules and regulations. And it's unclear as to how Airbus will build aircraft, for example, where the wings are manufactured in Cardiff and shipped to Toulouse for assembly. There are enormous consequences on the aviation business, probably more than any other industry, because we struggle with two things: flight rights and the ownership rights.